Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Polkacity with the lowest gas fees. Alright, so Polkacity is a 3D video game that will be on the metaverse. You can make money playing it, of course, like having business or your own land or selling stuff like NFTs and buying NFTs in there. It's similar to GTA, having an open world game to play on the metaverse. Alright, of course, before getting into any coin, please do your own research, get and see the pros and the cons of the project before getting into it. All right, so let's get to here and see the market. You can see it's on decentralized exchanges, which means high gas fees. So let's use gate.io, which is similar to Binance and KuCoin. If you don't have an account, create one. You'll find the link in the description. Then after you have your account, go to wallet and deposit. Go to coin and type in the name of the coin that you want to deposit and select it. Then go to chain and select what network that you will be using. Just make sure to select the same network you've selected in here on the other platform that you are withdrawing from. Alright, so after you've deposited your asset onto your account here, go to trade and spot trading. Go to here and search for the coin you have deposited. If you have deposited any other coin than USDT, type in the name of it in here so you can sell it for USDT. Let's say Luna, and choose the name of that crypto you've typed in with USDT and scroll down here and you'll find the amount that you have or the balance that you have of that coin on your account in here. You can click on it and it will automatically get filled in here, which means you'll use the whole balance to sell it for USDT, or choose the amount that you want from here, then click sell. Now that you have USDT, go back here and type in the name of Polkacity, and here it is, and choose the name of Polkacity to USDT, which is this one. Click on it and now scroll down and go to here. Here you'll find the balance of USDT that you've got. Click on it and it will automatically get into here, or again choose if you want to just buy an amount of that balance you've got. All right, and here is the price and the current price of the coin right now, and this is it in here again. You can also bargain if you want to buy with a lower price than the current market price, or vice versa. This here if you want to sell and you want to sell with a higher price than the current one. Just choose a reasonable price so the order goes through and it doesn't get stuck. Right, and if it got stuck, just cancel it in here and put another order. Okay, so how to do that? Just click on whatever price you want, for example here, and it will automatically get into here. As you can see, it changes whenever I click on a price in here, and put in the amount that you want, clicking in here, or the whole amount by clicking in here, and then click buy. Alright, that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this, and thank you for watching.